Hello students, we have completed 3 chapters. Today I am going to teach you new chapter, that is factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Now I think you know the multiplication table till 20, 2 to 20, isn't it? 2 to 20, you should know the multiplication table. Now what is into multiples? Can you tell me? See, I will write here 3 tables. I will write here 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Like it goes on. Whatever you will get to here in 3 tables, these things we call it as multiple of 3. What is the multiple of 3? What will come in 3 tables? 3. What are the multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. All we call it as multiple of 3. So, multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. Means multiple of 12. What is the multiple of 12? Multiples of 12 are 12 ones are 12, 24, 22s are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60. Like this. 12 table itself is a multiples of 12. Okay, understood? See, all these are exactly divisible by 12. See, all these numbers are exactly divisible by 12. What are the multiples of 7 then? Can you tell me answer? Multiples of 7 are, I can write multiples of 7 are, I don't know the table, 7 table, tell me 7 table? Yes, first I should write 7 because 7 ones are 7. Next 7 twos are 14. Next 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. Like this, many multiples we will get. Isn't it, students? Understood this multiple? Now multiple is increasing, isn't it? See, this 14 is increased by 7. This 21 is increased by 7 again. 14 plus 7 is 21 now. Next is factor. What do you mean by factor? See, I will write the factors of 12. Factors of 12 are, see, in which table 12 will come? Yes, you are right. In one table 12 will come. 1 12s are 12. Next, in which table 12 will come? 2 table? Yes. 2 6 are 12. Then which table it will come? Yes, you are right. In 3 table also it will come. 3 4s are 12. Then which table it will come? 4? Yes, you are right. 4 into 3 equal to 12. In 5 table it will come? No. In 6 table? Yes. 6 2s are 12. 7 table? No. In 7 table 12 will not come. 8? No. 9? No. 10 also it will not come. Directly we will go to 12. 12 ones are 12. Then what are the factors of 12? These are the factors of 12. In 1 table 12 will come, 2 table also 12 will come, 3 table also come, 4 table also come, 6, 12. Then I can write factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 12 are Next, factors of 15. Factors of 15. See, you can observing which table 15 will come. As usual, 1 is compulsory every time. 1 into 15 equal to 50. Next, 2 table 15 will come. No, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. Next in 3, yes, you are right. In 3 table, 3 fives are 15. Next in 4 table, it will not come. 5 table, yes, you are right. 5 into 3 equal to 15. In 6 table, no. 7, no. 8, no. So, directly 15. 15 ones are 15. Therefore, factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, 15. Did you understand, student? Here you can observe that the common thing in all factors of a number is 1 should be there and that number itself. Remember, always in fact this is the compulsory number 1 and that number itself. Here also 1 and that number is itself. See, a factor of a number is exactly divisible by the number. See, here 3, 5, 15, 1 are the factors of 15. When I divide here, you can observe that I will get remainder 0. So 3 is the factor of 15. Here also see, when I divide by 5 3s are 15. Remainder is the 0. The thing is, a factor of a number is exactly divisible by a number. Exactly divisible by the number means remainder should be 0. If remainder is not a 0, then we cannot tell that that number is a factor of the given number. For example, I will write for 15 only. I have written only 1, 3, 5, 15. I cannot write that 4. 4 is not a factor of 15. Shall I tell you why? If I divide 15 by 4, what I will get? 4 3s are 12. 5 minus 2 is 3. I did get here remainder 0. A number can be a factor of a number which should be exactly divisible by the given number. It should get the remainder 0. Then only that number we can tell that factor of a given number. See, remainder 0, here it is 3. Now next. Next is exercise 1. Find the first 10 multiples of each of the following. Exercise 1. Find the first 10 multiples. First 10 multiples and list the common multiples. List the common multiples. In that first sum, 8th one, 4, 5. First we have to write the multiple of the given number. Then we should write the 10 common. Then we have to write the common multiples. Solution. Multiples of 4 are multiples of 4 are. See, as I told you earlier, you have to write the multiplication table of 4. That is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. This is the first 10 multiples of the given number. Then I will write multiples of 5. So 5 are 5 table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. These are the multiple of 4 and multiple of 5. Now, dear children, now tell me what are the common multiples here? See here. Which are the common multiples? 20 is the common multiple. Then which is a common multiple here? 40 is a common multiple. Which is there both in multiples of 4 and multiples of 5. Therefore, common multiples are 20, 40. Common multiples are 20, 40. Now, one more sum. 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Now, write the multiples of 2 and 6. First, we will write multiples of 2. What are the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, 10 multiples. What are the multiples of 6? Again 6 table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 16. Now, which are the common multiples here? See, first one is 6, next is 12, next is 18. So, common multiples are 6, 12, 18. These are the common multiples of first 10 multiple of 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Now we move to second maze. Find the factors. Find the factors. And list the common factors. And list the common factors. And list the common factors. First one in that 18, 6. So we will check first factors of 18. So it will come in one table, 1 into 18 equal to 18. Then it will come in two table, 2 into 9 equal to 18. Then it will come in 3 table, 3 6 are 18. Then here only you can observe that it will not come in 4, 5, 6, 6. 3 6 are 18. I can write 6 3s are 18. Then 9 2s are 18. It will not come in 7, 8. then directly we have to go for 18 itself. So, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. These are the factors of 18. Now we will find the factors of 6. Okay? Again we will start with here one table. I told you in one table as simple it come 1 6 are 6. In 2 table 2 3s are 6. In 3 table it will come 3 2s are 6. Then directly 6 table. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now tell me what is the common factor here? See, we can observe that 1 is the common factor, 2 also, 3 also, 6 also. 1, 2, 3, 6. Therefore, common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. These are the common factors of 18 and 6. Dear student, you understood now all these factors and multiples, and next exercise we will do in next class. That is divisibility test we will do in next class. Thank you children.